Hello everybody, this is Dr. Adriana Lopez. Thanks for being with me in this orthodontic session number 10. And remember, if you see this little white tooth next to this red question mark, that means that's a slide that you want to pay attention to because one or two questions might come on the exam regarding this topic. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about retention and supracrestal fibrotomy. Supracrestal fibrotomy is a surgical procedure that has a lot to do with retention, something that the exam might test you on. Okay, so first let's start talking a little bit about retention. So retention is one of the most important aspects of orthodontic therapy. Without retention, the teeth will go back to its original position and the patient will have to go through